We have all experienced this as tech leaders. How many times have you shortlisted a candidate who looked great on paper, who sailed through the HR screening, but struggled to do basic things during a technical round? A React developer who cannot implement state management using hooks or Redux, a Python backend engineer struggling to implement a REST endpoint, or a data engineer who doesn't know how to implement a slowly changing dimension or how to correctly model a star schema. This is the reality many of us in tech leadership face day in and day out. Relying only on technical interviews eats up your team's time. Each interviewer has a different style of interviewing that makes interviews highly subjective and opinionated. And worst of all, those interviews do not assess the skills of a candidate which are needed for the job. We end up burning precious hours of our technical leaders. Despite all of that, when it comes to the actual job performance, we get surprises. That is precisely why we built Coder Scout. Instead of depending on gut feeling or whiteboard puzzles, we put candidate in real world challenges. Just to give you some examples, build that API endpoint according to the specs, write that complex SQL query, debug that Jupyter notebook, implement the business logic in the given function according to the specs, build that React UI according to the given specs, and we capture everything while they do that. From screen recording to webcam to how the code evolved, whether they switched tabs or whether they copy pasted, everything is recorded in the playback. So, if you have ever felt that frustration while interviewing candidates who just don't have the skills that you need, let's change how we assess the talent before you start interviewing them. Because skills cannot be guessed, they need to be proven.